Hey, hello everyone. Let's talk about map in JavaScript. Map is a built-in data structure in JS. Map is actually a collection of elements, which means each element is stored as a key value pair in map, right? How to create a map? Map is a class in JavaScript. So this map constructor is used to create it. With the map class, we can use many methods like set, get, or hash. We can delete any key value pair in the map. Clear size, we can get the size of the map, and we can use these keys, values, entries methods to retrieve the values in the map. Right. The main advantage of map is it maintains the insertion order. And one more thing is we are storing in a key value pair, right? This key value can be of any type of data, which means the key value can be a number, string, or an object, right? The one important thing to notice, objects can use only string as a key value. Objects also like a map, right? But in object, we can use only string as a key value, but with map, we can use number, string, and object as a key value. Okay. You may get a doubt like when we want to use map and when we want to use object. If you want to manipulate the data which is stored, I mean for each element, right? Then in that case we can use map. Otherwise we can use object. But map is a powerful data structure because it has these methods. Like it has size. We can set the values. We can get the values. So this is very useful when we are trying to modify the values in the map. Right. Now let's see each of these methods in action. First, let's create a map. I'm gonna store some bike values. So let my bike equal to new map. Okay, just initialize the map. Now I'm gonna set some values. My bike dot set. I'm gonna set my bike name. My bike name is, okay, let's say it is bike. Okay, and then my bike dot set. My bike color is black. Sorry, and then my bike dot set. I'm gonna set one more value in the map. Okay, what's the value? Name, color, and then let's say a mileage. Okay, mileage is like 60 kilometer per liter, right? Now what I did is I created a map, the name of my bike, and I set the key value pairs. The key is name and the value is test bike. Second value, the key is color, value is black. Like that, mileage and 60. Okay. Now let's see each of the methods we just used a set. Now let me use all of these methods. Right. Now if I want to get the value of any of these, right, my value dot get. How I can get this? I can simply pass a key value. Okay. If I want to print this, I have to put like console.log. Okay, console.log my bike dot get. So this will get the value from the map. Right, what will be the value? The value against this key value name is test bike. So that will print in my output. Let's run and see. Okay, test bike is printed. So next, let's see the hash method. If we want to see whether any value or any key is available in the map or not, that we can see using hash method. Okay, ibike dot hash. Let's see whether color is available or not. Okay, so this first one return test bike. Now this returns a boolean value, true or false. So this value is available in the map, right? So what will happen is we can see the result as true, right? So our next method is delete clear size keys are there. Let's look at the size now. It will be very useful when we are iterating on the size method. So my byte dot size. Okay, let's see the output. So the size is, this map has three elements, right? Three key value pairs it has. So the output will be three, right? Now let me use these three methods: keys, values, and entries. So it can, these are all useful to retrieve the key values alone and the values alone. Then we can look at the complete entry also, right? Now let me see my bike dot keys. Okay, so it will give me the result of all the keys: name, color, mileage in a iteratable way. Okay, it's a map iterator. It shows all the key values: name, color, mileage. Okay, so it is very useful when you are trying to create a loop with the help of this size and key, I mean these keys, values, these methods. The map is very handy, okay, when you play with the data using maps. So keys we set, and then values, and let me write it for entries also. Okay, I bike dot entries. Okay, now we can see the output, right? This is for keys, name, color, and mileage, and this is for values. The values are test bike, black, and 60, and this is a complete map entry. Okay, whatever the elements available in the map, that will be printed. Okay, so now you may understood what is delete and clear. Delete is used to delete any key value pair in the map. So let's say console.log ibike dot delete. Let's say if I want to delete mileage, I'm going to pass the key value. Now what will happen? Let me print after deleting the mileage. If I print console.log my bike.size, what will happen is till this time the size of the app is 3. But as I deleted mileage, now the size of the map will be 2. Okay, now let's see that in the output. Okay, we can see, right, the output is true, 2 only. Delete that also returns as true. It returns, delete method returns boolean, true or false. So the mileage is deleted, so it returns true. After that, the size of the map is only 2. Okay. Now one more important thing we need to understand is how we can loop these values using a, I mean, whatever the values available in the map, right? We can use a for loop to retrieve all these values. This will be very useful when we can store the values in a array, or we can get the values from the array. So let me look at, I mean, let me show you that. Let me use a for of loop. So how we can use for of loop for I of my bike, right? This is how we can use, right? But in this case, with the help of, I mean, in map case, we have both, right, key and value pair. So we can pass two arguments like key and value, right? So console.log, you can get the key value, and then I'm gonna put it like this. So I can get it like an object key value. Okay. So this is how we can retrieve the data using for loop. We can use a for each loop also. Right, we can use for of loop for each loop to get the data inside the map. Now let me show the output. Okay, this is output. As I deleted the mileage, it shows only the two elements in the map. Name is display, color is map. Okay, this is how we can retrieve the data from the map, and these are all the different methods available in the map. It's a very powerful data structure, right? Let's recap once. Yeah, map is a built-in data structure. It's a collection of elements. I mean, each element is stored as a key value pair. We can use a map constructor to create a map, and it has a lot of methods. The main advantage of map is it maintains in session order, right? And when we want to manipulate the data, which is, I mean, the manipulate the elements stored in the map, we can use all these methods. It's a very powerful data structure. Think about. Thanks for watching.